Hello, this is Steve Cramer, UNC Business Librarian with an introduction to how to identify the size of a local industry using the BizMiner database. And to do this, let me show you how to get here. So here we have the campus homepage, and then we'll get to the library homepage using campus links. And I could go through databases or also research guides by subject. And most of the business school links on this page have the link we need, such as marketing, entrepreneurship, hospitality, and tourism. And under industries, you'll find BizMiner listed. I should mention real quick, I use this often in conjunction with IBISWorld database. The IBISWorld gives you like the national type trends, analysis, and data, but then I use BizMiner for the local side, and often that gives me a good composite view. Need to do two things from the industry market profile. We need to pick the industry and then pick the market, the location. For industry searching, pretty straightforward, I think. You can either browse by these NICS code sectors. Like if I'm looking for restaurants, I want Thai restaurants. I can go to full service restaurants, etc. I can work my way down to ethnic or pick just Thai restaurants, or simply from the start, do a keyword search for whatever you're looking for and see if you can find a good match, such as I want dance schools. For market area, state, city, county, zip codes, you can browse by counties and cities under each state if you click on the state name, or type in a keyword like Guilford for Guilford County. And I could pick more than one zip code or just do the whole county. I'll just do that. Or finally, I can do radius search. If I have a point as an address or a zip code, I can then draw a circle around it. And if every area inside that, all the areas inside that circle be part of my market. But let's just stick with this. Got 29 operations. That means 29 establishments. Access now. This database comes directly from its most recent set of data. So they're not pre-established. So we have to wait a few seconds for the data to be loaded, to be compiled and loaded. In the meantime, you can get some coffee or look at about BizMiner or methodology or glossary or where does data come from. Here's the list. Economic census, Bureau of Statistics data, DataAxle, one of our databases that does companies by location, all in the mix. So it's a really good source. And data is now here, and I won't go through every single tab. I don't think you need me to show you all that, but let me just highlight a few things. So market size, total market size, total combined sales of the companies, in other words, a little under $6 million in 2021. Also can look at typical annual sales, so sales per company, about 205,000. How many employees are in this industry and the trends for that category. How many new companies are there, startups, how many have died, cessations, etc. So a really nice, robust set of data, which you can download all into one file using the PDF download button up here in the top right or the download spreadsheet version. So I recommend you do that to get all the data in one nice, convenient package. And that is about it. Industry research, particularly locally, is not necessarily easy. If I can support you in this, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video.